Are the stars merely dots adorning the sky? Or are they calling us to forgotten truth? The mysterious stones of Göbeklitepe, the star-whispering myths of the Sumerians, the Mayans' knowledge beyond time, are all these mere coincidences? Or had ancient humans already deciphered the true codes of the universe? Whispers of the stones, Göbeklitepe in the shadow of an unknown past. Göbeklitepe shattered humanity's narrative of post-agricultural civilization, forcing us to ask a deeper question: why do humans build? Those who erected its massive T-shaped pillars 12,000 years ago, before settled life existed, were driven not by physical necessity, but perhaps by spiritual yearning. These structures might have been monuments to a collective trauma caused by a celestial event, a comet's passage, or a shift in constellations. Or, more mysteriously, a record of a message from the sky. Thought experiment. Suppose Göbeklitepe symbolizes a cosmic warning. Could the abstract symbols carved into its stones encode not star positions, but a cipher for future catastrophe? As archaeologist Klaus Schmidt said, those who worshipped here spoke not the language of gods, but the stars. The Sumerians and the Anunnaki, cosmic intermediaries, or humanity's mirror? In Sumerian tablets, the Anunnaki gods are depicted as beings who brought knowledge to Earth. But reducing this narrative to mere mythology might be a mistake. The Sumerians' astronomical calculations, Jupiter's 12-year cycle lunar phases, remain astonishingly accurate even today. How did they acquire this knowledge? Alternative scenario. Could the Anunnaki represent a psychic archetype, a symbolic tool created by the human mind to access universal knowledge? Carl Jung's collective unconscious theory resonates here. Shared human archetypes might be gateways to the universe's mathematical language. A radical possibility. The Sumerians inherited knowledge from a prior civilization. Their tablets might preserve fragments salvaged from the wreckage of an Atlantis-like civilization. The Maya and timelessness. Venus dance and human destiny. When the Maya calculated Venus' 584-day cycle, was it merely for calendars? Or did they see Venus as a symbol of time and fate? In the Popol Vuh sacred Maya text, stars are described as entities that shape the human soul. Esoteric interpretation. Venus had dual identities in the ancient world, the morning star and the evening star. This duality might mirror the human soul's cycle of death and rebirth. Maya astronomy could have been a philosophical discipline, where planetary movements served as metaphors for inner journeys. Astrophysical connection. Some researchers suggest the Maya-Venus calendar correlates with shifts in Earth's magnetic field. What if this knowledge was informed by observations from an extraterrestrial civilization? The Egyptian pyramids, giants conversing with the stars. The alignment of the Giza pyramid with Orion's belt is too precise to be coincidental. Was this alignment merely for monumental tombs, or were the pyramids a bridge between Earth and the stars? Egypt's forgotten technology. The concept of sacred geometry implies that Egyptian priests leveraged physics, sound frequencies or gravitational waves, to construct these edifices. Could the pyramids have functioned as energy generators, storing knowledge transmitted from the heavens? A message across time. In Egyptian mythology, Orion symbolized the post-mortem journey. Perhaps the pyramids represented the soul's return to the stars after physical death, a belief explicitly described in the Book of the Dead. The Dogon and the Sirius mystery. Aliens or a lost memory. The Dogon tribe of West Africa knew about Sirius' invisible companion, Sirius B. Millennia before modern astronomy confirmed it in the 19th century. How did they acquire this knowledge? Alien theory. Dogon mythology speaks of amphibious beings called the Namo, who allegedly came from the Sirius system. This is a favorite example for proponents of external origins for ancient astronomy. Alternative explanation. The Dogon might have inherited Sirius lore from ancient Egyptian priests. Or, more strikingly, humanity shares a genetic link with Sirius. An unknown source, quantum consciousness, and the cosmic internet. Quantum physics suggests particles can travel backward in time or become entangled across light years. What if ancient humans accessed universal knowledge through quantum connectivity? The role of trance states. Shamans and priests using hallucinogens might have bypassed the brain's perceptual filters, enabling direct intuition of celestial movements. The Universal Knowledge Network, Vedic text Akashic records, or Plato's world of forms describe a cosmic database. Ancient astronomers might have been antennas tapping into this network. Humanity is a universe observing itself. The secret of ancient astronomy lies not in mathematics or technology, but in humanity's existential dialogue with the cosmos. The builders of Göbeklitepe, the architect of the pyramids, and Dogon shamans sought the same truth. We are children of the universe, and to learn its language is to remember our roots. Perhaps what's lost is our courage to speak this language. Modern humans reduce stars to data points, forgetting the poetic and spiritual bond our ancestors shared with the cosmos. Ancient wisdom whispers, to understand the universe, you must dance with it. For true knowledge lies not in calculations, but in awe. Final words. The star maps carved into stones millennia ago were windows through which the human soul gazed into the cosmos. We've bricked over those windows. Perhaps the answers will come when we tear down the walls we built,